Now hello my dear students. Now in this first lesson, computer system overview, today is the time to discuss question and answers. I have discussed all the topics thoroughly with you. I have given you all the concepts: RAM, ROM, primary and secondary memory, hard disk and chips. ROM means type of ROM, EPROM, EEPROM, softwares, type of software, customized, everything we have discussed in this lesson. Now today is the time to discuss the question answer which is given at the end of the lesson. I have given all the answers in the written form with the help of this video, and you have to write down all the question and answers in your copy. Now here are the question and answers. Now this is the first question. Briefly explain the basic architecture of computer. Now the answer is, computer organization refers to logical structure of the computer, describing how its components are connected to one another, how they affect one another functioning, and contribute to overall performance of the computer. And with the help of this diagram, I have tried to show you the content. Question number 2. What do you understand by the input unit? What is its significance? What does computer input consist of? Now the answer is, an input unit takes the input and convert it into binary form so that it can be understood by the computer. Input unit is the main part that can receive the instruction from the end user. They are like keyboard, mouse, mic and camera. Now question number 3. What is the function of CPU in computer system? What are its subunits? The CPU, or the central processing unit, is the main control center and the processing unit. It is also called brain of the computer, as it guides, directs, controls and governs the performance of computer. Its main parts are as follows: ALU, CU and registers. Question number 4. What functions are performed by the central unit, control unit? This is also called central unit. Can we call it the control center of the computer system? Why? CU acts as the supervisor of the controlling by controlling and guiding the operation taking place. Yes, we can call it the control center because it controls all the basic functionality of the computer. Question number 5. What functions are performed by ALU? Is it an independent unit? If not, which unit does ALU work in coordination with? ALU performs arithmetics like plus, minus, divide, into and power and logic operations. No, ALU is not independent. It works in coordination with CU and registers. Question number 6. Distinguish between CPU and ALU. CPU The CPU, or the central processing unit, is the main control center and processing unit. It is also called brain of the computer, as it guides, directs, controls and governs the performance of computer. Its main parts are as follows: ALU, CU and registers. Question number 7. What is the function of output unit in a computer system? Give example of some of the output devices. Output unit converts the output in binary form to human readable form. For example, monitor, printers and speakers. Question number 8. What role does memory play in the functioning of computer system? The memory of computer is often called main memory or the primary memory. It is used to execute the process. It is of two types, RAM and ROM. Now question number 9. Define each of the following: byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte. Answer is 8 bits is called 1 byte, 1024 byte is called 1 KB, 1024 KB is called 1 MB, 1024 MB is called 1 GB, 1024 GB is called 1 TB. Now what is the meaning of the term volatile primary memory? Volatile primary memory means, as we will switch off the power, data will no longer be there, it will be erased. Question number 11. Distinguish between internal and external memory. Internal memory. The memory is the main memory of the computer system. It is of two types, RAM and ROM, and then they can be divided into several parts. External memory. This is the secondary storage. It can save the data permanently, for example hard disk, CD, DVD and Blu-rays. Question number 12. What are RAM and ROM? How are they alike? How are they different? Both RAM and ROM are primary memory, but RAM is volatile and ROM is non-volatile. They both have several types. RAM can be divided in static RAM, dynamic RAM, and ROM can be divided in PROM, EPROM, EEPROM, flash, EEPROM, and mask ROM. Question number 13. What is the system software? What role does it play in the functioning of computer? The software that controls the internal computer operation is called the system software. The system software can further be classified into two categories: operating system and language processor. Discuss the role of utility software in the context of computer performance. Utilities are those application programs that assist the computer by performing housekeeping functions like backing up disk or scanning, cleaning viruses, or rearranging the information, etc. 15. What is the importance of OS? An operating system is a program which acts as an interface between a user and the hardware, that is, all the computer resources. There are different types of operating systems are available today. For example, single user operating system, multi-user operating system, time sharing, and real-time operating system. How are software libraries useful? Name some software libraries in Python. A software library is a predefined and available to use suite of data and performing code in the form of data and performing code in the form of pre-written codes, functions, scripts, classes, etc. that can be used in the development of new software programs and applications. Python comes equipped with many software libraries like NumPy, NumPy, some Scientific-Py, and Panda libraries. Question number 17. What is the utilities of these softwares? Disk defragmenter and backup software. Disk defragmenter, this utility program speeds up disk access by rearranging the files and free spaces on your computer so that files are stored in the contiguous unit and free space is consolidated in one contiguous block. Backup software, this utility program facilitates the backing up of disk. Backing up means duplicating the disk information so that it, in case of any damage or loss, the backed up data may be used. Now thank you students, and now my dear students, after solving the question and answers, here this is the time to solve few questions by yourself. I have given you some homework also, and no separate copy you will make. Homework will be in the same copy, only one copy will be there, and in this copy you will solve the notes, you will write all the notes things and in the question answer form that I have given, or you will solve this homework also in the same copy, but everything must be in your copy. It should be maintained properly. This you have to take care. Now here are the questions. This is your first question. State some basic units of computer. Second question. Give examples of each of the following: operating system, language processor, and application software. Third question. Why is primary memory termed as destructive write memory but not destructive read memory? Question number 4. What is the role of CPU in mobile system? Question number 5. What are the various categories of software? And question number 6. What is the difference between interpreter and compiler? My dear students, now your first lesson is over. If you have any doubt, you can clear with me. You can contact me, you can clear with me, you can write your questions in the comment section, and then you can get the reply from me. From tomorrow onwards, from the next video, I will start the second lesson, and if you will not maintain the copy, then it will be a problem. So this is the time to write everything in your fair copy, and I hope you will maintain the notes properly. Otherwise, during the examination time, it will be a headache for you. So please be sincere and write everything in your fair copy. Thank you.